Mastering wealth creation isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or wishful thinking. It's about real, practical strategies that anyone can implement. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up, these strategies will guide you toward long-term wealth. Let's dive in. Strategy 1. Financial discipline. First up, financial discipline. This is the foundation of wealth creation. No matter how much you earn, if you don't have control over your spending, wealth will slip through your fingers. Start by tracking your expenses. Know where your money is going. Create a budget that's realistic and stick to it. Use tools like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track your spending and savings goals. Small, consistent actions, like cutting out unnecessary subscriptions, can save thousands over time. Make sure to automate savings so you're consistently setting aside money for future investments, rather than spending it impulsively. Strategy 2. Build multiple income streams. Next, let's talk about diversifying your income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Building multiple income streams will protect you against unforeseen challenges and fast-track your wealth. Start small. If you're employed, explore side hustles, freelance work, or monetize hobbies. Eventually, consider investing in real estate, stocks, or starting an online business. The goal is to have different sources of money coming in at various levels of risk. Over time, you'll be able to scale these streams, reducing reliance on any one source and allowing you to earn money while you sleep, which is a key to wealth. Strategy 3. Invest wisely. Investing is another key strategy. But this isn't about taking wild risks. It's about strategic, informed investing. Start by understanding the basics of stocks, bonds, and index funds. For beginners, index funds or ETFs offer diversification and lower risk. Over time, you can add more complex investments, like real estate or individual stocks. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Remember, investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay consistent, stay patient, and avoid chasing the latest trend. Focus on long-term growth, and don't let short-term fluctuations cause panic. Wealth building through investment requires both time and wisdom. Strategy 4. Continuously educate yourself. Education is a wealth-building strategy that never stops. The world of finance and investing is always evolving. To stay ahead, keep learning. Listen to podcasts, read books, attend webinars, take advantage of free resources. Knowledge allows you to make better decisions and avoid common financial mistakes. People who constantly invest in their own learning are usually the ones who see the highest returns in the long run. This applies to both financial literacy and personal development. Whether it's understanding tax laws or learning about new investment vehicles, the more you know, the more opportunities you can recognize and capitalize on. Strategy 5. Mindset is everything. Having the right mindset is crucial. Wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about how you think. Cultivate an abundance mindset, believe that there's always enough to go around, and that wealth is created through effort, innovation, and patience. Stay focused on your goals, embrace failure as a lesson, and avoid the comparison trap. The moment you stop thinking like a victim and start acting like a creator, your wealth-building journey shifts. Wealth creation isn't a one-time event, it's a mindset you develop over time. When you believe you can achieve financial independence, your actions and decisions will align with that belief. Strategy 6. Network and surround yourself with the right people. Lastly, surround yourself with like-minded, motivated people. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Network with individuals who are financially savvy, driven, and growth-oriented. Attend events, join online communities, and find mentors who can guide you. A strong network will help you identify opportunities, learn faster, and gain valuable insights that you wouldn't have discovered on your own. The right people can open doors, offer advice, and help you navigate challenges. Building a solid network is key for expanding your wealth potential and staying focused on your long-term goals. Mastering wealth creation isn't about luck, it's about strategy, discipline, and consistency. Start with small, actionable steps, and as your financial habits improve, so will your wealth. Focus on these realistic strategies, and you'll be on the path to financial independence. Remember, Wealth isn't just about money, it's about the freedom to live life on your terms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering wealth creation. See you next time.